This is the craziest horror film I've seen in a while, okay? In a violent nature. It's basically just Friday the 13th, except all you see is the killer walking for 2 hours straight. Well, not really. The ending kinda sucks. Focuses on this girl. I don't know. So the killer's name is Johnny, and then these meanies take his mum's necklace. Then he awakens from his den or something. I don't know. And then it's just walking for like 30 minutes till he does a flipping fatality on this girl.
Round 1, fight! Finish her! Johnny wins. Fatality.
It was epic right there. It was very, very gory. 10 out of 10.